So that worked out real nice. One of the things I'd do to at least slow down the water from rushing out of here. That brings me to my next project. Since the skid steer is already back here, I plan on making a swale here. Just a simple one. Greater blade might work better, but my tractor is a whole 12, 14 horsepower. This is 40. I think it'd be better with this. I'll just work downhill, plucking away at it, and make something. It's been really rainy here lately. While the ground's nice and soft, I figure do it now. I'll give you 15 seconds of fame. Camera shy. The original layer of dirt that was compacted here by these pigs was still hard and dry after over a week of rain. The bucket got down to that and basically stopped right there and was pushing from there. So it goes to show how this soil is not soaking up water. So the swale will help stop that water and let it slowly soak into the ground. Hey, get back. I know there's better ways to do this, but this was fast. I had the machine back here and the soil was at right conditions. Really need to get stuff growing back here. First one below the barn. There's a second one. I've got spots in the trench that are only a few inches deep and it's bone dry, while the top layer is almost mud. Like I said, it's been raining for a real long time here, and there's another dry spot. Look at this horrific spot. I could barely dig into it. It's just so hard and dry. And that's at an angle that's not even 6 inches deep, and it's that dry. this should be all wet, but it just runs off and doesn't get a chance to soak in. Now I know this isn't perfect, but that was fast. It took me under 30 minutes to do all that. So you can really see the grade right here. What I really need to do is let this field rest, grow something on it. But this should be a good stopgap. Collect some water.